pagtakbo lang eh. Hindi naman pagiging politiko lang ang government eh. Government is such a big, diba, ang daming ibang pwedeng gawin.
Iba yung governance, iba yung power. Obviously now, you're very powerful because you're the mayor. Kaya mo siyang talikuran ng ganun lang?
Yes. Sa akin, hindi siya mahirap. And gagawin ko nga siya sa 2028 eh.
But
Sa
what,
akin, wala naman issue doon. Sinabi ko na gagawin ko siya. Madali lang. Kasi, ano may isang problema talaga. Di ba sabi nga, power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. And, you know, as much as you would like to think the best of yourself, I want to think the best of myself. But the reality is, there are certain truths that apply to everyone. Once you're in power, at some point, may magbabago rin sa'yo eh. Kahit sabihin mo, grounded ka, you know, I try to keep myself grounded, I try to keep myself accountable. And I think, you know, maybe compared to others, medyo nakasteady lang naman ako. Pero, kailangan ko rin, I think it would be a good thing. Pagkatapos ng 9 na taon, take a step back and reassess. Sa tingin ko, maganda yun. And that's also why, you know, I believe in term limits. Kung talagang effective yung ginawa ko ngayon at yung mga reforma ginawa ko ngayon ay maayos at pangmatagalan, ang tunay na test dyan ay pag wala na ako.